take a look at the latest Cadillac in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one's a 1966 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. Still wearing its original color of mist blue. Should have been number 20 on the data tag. Has a white and blue combination interior and a white top. It is a power top. Power top is functioning. 429 V8 powers this vehicle underneath the hood. That's paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The way it would have came from Cadillac back in 1966. As you can see, the front of this car, bright work chrome, pretty nice shape on it. I'd say overall this is a nice driver quality Cadillac. You're going to find some imperfections and blemishes in it here and there, but overall, very nice looking car. Came to us on trade. It's a clear title. And if you'd like to check out the still pictures of this, so you can look over the interior, the top, the engine bay, you want to take a good look at everything, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find those. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on that. That's where it's going to take you. You can feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to assist you with any questions you may have on this car. We did a few things to it when it came in on trade. It's got a new battery in it, exhaust gasket, a little miscellaneous maintenance done to it. Otherwise, car fires right up, runs smoothly. And again, still shows well. You see up and down the car. Pretty straight car too. Riding on the wide whites, Cadillac wheel covers, fender skirts in the rear. What you'd expect a stock looking Cadillac to appear to be. Check out the rear seats. Again, white and blue combination interior. Bench seat up front. Is one small crack. You can see it going down through the center of the dash like you do see in a lot of these. Otherwise, the carpeting, seating material in nice shape. Now, like I said, this did come to us on trade. Actually came in on trade in a 1959 Cadillac. So we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Be happy to help you out with that. Come around to the rear. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work. Again, pretty nice shape. If you want to check out those still pictures, so you can see the top. Top's in nice shape. Like I said, white vinyl top, nice shape. Check out the undersides, trunk, engine compartment. UniqueClassicCars.com is where the still pictures can be seen. Down below this video, click on the link in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Look up and down the driver's side of this car. Again, you can see how straight it is. Not real wavy. Again, what I'd consider a nice driver quality car. Riding in those wide whites for a great look. Again, rear seat. Interior also in nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. See how easily it starts. Pretty much stock looking dash. Again, the way it would have came in 1966 from General Motors Cadillac division. Slip around to the back and hear what this sounds like. Again, 429 cubic inch displacement engine underneath the hood. Little rumble coming out of it. Nice sounding car. I'm going to slip up to the front here. I'm going to pause this video a second. It's a little easier to get these larger hoods open when I got both hands. So give me a second. Pause this video. Check out that engine bay and see how it looks and check that engine out running. Alright, got the hood open here. As you can see underneath the hood, nice and clean. Nice tidy engine bay. 429 riding in there. So you got power steering, power brakes. New Edelbrock carb on there. As you can see, the AC compressor still hooked up. So So factory AC car also. But again, see how smooth that baby runs. Be a fun one for summer that's right around the corner. Get a head start on your summer fun car. 1966 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the still pictures down below this video in the description. Click on the link, it's going to take you there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Give us a call.